Determine if there are any outliers in this data set. If there are, which ones are they? Support your answer with computation. Outliers are observations that lie a significant distance from the middle 50%. So we calculate 1.5 IQR above the middle 50% and 1.5 IQR below the middle 50%. Those two values are the lower and upper fences, and any number outside those fences is an outlier. So we start by calculating the IQR, which is Q3 minus Q1. So to begin, we calculate Q1. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 data values here. So the sample size is 11. And the index of Q1 is 1 plus 0.25 times 11 minus 1, which is 3.5. Q3 has an index of 1 plus 0.75 times 11 minus 1, or 8.5. So for Q1, we go to 1, 2, 3, the third and the fourth, and average. That means we get 2.7. That we have an index of 8.5 for Q3 means we take the 8th and 9th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and we average those, so it's 3.3 plus 4.1 over 2, 7.4 divided by 2 is 3.7. So the IQR, the interquartile range, is Q3 minus Q1, or 3.7 minus 2.7, which is 1. Now, 1.5 IQR is 1.5 times IQR, which in this case is just 1.5. And we need to add that to Q3 and subtract it from Q1. This is the distance from the middle 50% that will determine the fences. So our upper fence is Q3 plus 1.5 IQR, 5.2, and the lower fence is 2.7 minus 1.5, which is 1.2. Now these are the fences outside the range from 1.2 to 5.2 are where the outliers are. So we don't have anything less than 1.2 in the data, so there are no outliers to the low end. However, we do have some numbers greater than 5.2. So potentially these outliers are potential outliers are 5.3 and 6.3 because they're 1.5 IQRs, more than 1.5 IQRs above Q3.